Students, we're going to start the anti-anginal drug. But before going into the detail, you must know some basic definitions. You must know that what is angina, what is ischemia, and what is infarction. Then before going into detail, we will have general introduction of the types of the angina. And in this lecture, we will see the basic drug classes which are used as anti-anginal drugs. So, what is angina? Angina is a type of chest pain that is caused by reduced or the impeded blood flow towards the heart. Now, what is difference between the ischemia and the infarction? Ischemia is basically indicating the diminished or impeded volume of the blood or impeded volume of perfusion of the blood towards the organ or reduced blood towards the organ, while infarction itself indicates the cellular response to the lack of perfusion, to the impeded perfusion. So ischemia is basically indicating the volume, and the infarction itself is indicating the cellular response. Now, what are various types of angina? Typically, before going into detail, again I'm revising that angina is the pain. It is sudden, severe, crushing chest pain that radiates to the neck, jaws, back, and the arms. So, if the patient is suffering from the angina, definitely, first of all, you have to modify your lifestyle. For example, stop smoking, change your physical activities. You have to manage your weight. And if you are suffering from other diseases which are affecting your heart, you must also modify these risk factors. For example, you have to take proper treatment of hypertension, diabetes, and the dyslipidemia. Now, coming towards the major drug classes which we will study in this chapter as anti-anginal drugs, these are the beta blockers, calcium channel blockers. Here there are two types of calcium channel blockers, dihydropyridines and the non-dihydropyridines, non-dihydropyridines. Then we have the nitrates, then we have sodium channel blockers. Now, what are the major types of angina? Basically, in this chapter of Lippincott, the angina has been divided into three different types. The first one is the stable angina, which is also known as the effort-induced, classic, or the typical angina. The second type is the unstable angina, while the third type is the prinzmetal angina, which is also known as the variant, vasospastic, or the rest angina. So in next lecture, students, we will discuss all these types of anginas in detail.